Guys, so today I'm going to show you this thread epilator machine. Actually my cousin had one of these, so I decided to buy one of these and give it a try. So I'm going to show you what's included in the box. So what we have, obviously we've got the manual here, and then we've got the machine itself, which looks like this. And then you've got the USB cable, obviously for the charging, which goes here. And then you've got the thread that you need to use. So you've got the thread. So what I've done is, based on the manual, it says, I've got it here as well, it says that we need to cut like 36 centimeters of this and just obviously put it on. I'll show you how it works. So what you want to do is just loosen these slightly, and what I do is I'll just wrap this. Don't want to do it a lot because then it's not going to stay in, and then I'm going to just tighten it, and then I'm going to wrap it around here. Then I'm going to bring it to the hook in the middle here, then over here, and then I'm going to gently just put it. You need to make sure that when you do it, it should be, you know, tight, because if it's not tight, then you know, when it works, you know, it's going to get tangled in the middle. So then what you will do is I'll show you how to use it. So when I read about it, it says that you need to obviously have like a dry, let's say you want to do your hand, you need to have a dry hand, and then it says to put moisturizer. So let's imagine I'm going to do it. So I've got a little bit of moisturizer, so I'm going to just moisturize my hand here, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to now use it on my skin. So let's hope that it does what it does. Make sure these are tight. And then you could just see, obviously you need to be, this is how it works. And then, and this is, guys, it's quite lightweight, it's 106 grams, so it's not like a lot. And it's obviously 5 watts, so it's not like something, you know, really strangely powerful. And then the battery life is 1200 amps. Obviously it's really easy to use, and then whenever you want to charge it, you can just use one of these. Again, you've got the thread, so whenever you're done, you know, you can use this thread. Some people put the thread in a different way. Some people put it in the middle first, and then they put, you know, go around the hook things, and then they tighten it on here. But normally this is the way that I do it. Obviously it gives you like a more thorough, you know, like a more thorough hair removal. In a way it's different to the other hair removals that we have. And then I've read on the manual that after you've done it, you can again just put some aloe vera or maybe some lotion on the surface of your skin. But you could use it, you know, on your body, face, legs, whatever. Obviously that can be used. Obviously it's mainly, I would personally use it for more, you know, like thinner type hair rather than really sort of like thick hair. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to again show you guys again. It says in the manual that obviously you will do it sort of like you would go the opposite way. You know, then obviously your hair grows. So if your hair grows this way, then you do it that way. Again, what you want to do, just put it on your skin, and literally it will take some time, guys. I mean, does it really slowly. But if you do it, I think it's correct that you have to do it in the opposite direction of your hair. As you could see, it's done a little bit of my hair here. I think it's good mainly for the face, to be honest. That's what my intention was, to get it for the face. But it's really like a, you know, it's really a convenient machine to have, I think. If you know, you normally like pluck, let's say, your eyebrows, or, you know, like around your eyebrows, or if you want to, like, you know, you pluck your chin, or you know, you're behind the lips. If that's what you do, then that will become, you know, convenient for you. So yeah guys, I just thought I'd show you. You could see the hairs everywhere. If you like this video guys, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.